Caros amigos, bom dia.
Dear friends, good morning.
Que a doce paz de Maria, a mãe de Jesus e mãe nossa, nos envolva nessa manhã.
That you may be covered by the peace from Mary, our mother.
Ao tempo de Jesus, Nazaré era uma pequenina aldeia.
During Jesus' time, Nazareth used to be a very small town or village.
Israel dominava toda aquela região, era dominada pelo Império Romano.
Israel was under the Roman Empire.
E cada cidade tinha a sua importância, segundo o que ela podia propiciar ao Império.
And each town, each village used to have the importance, but there was based on what they could offer to the empire.
Jericó era a cidade do comércio.
Jericho was the town that was for the commerce.
Jerusalém era a cidade prometida.
Jerusalem was the promised town.
Magdala era a cidade dos espetáculos noturnos.
Magdala was the town that used to happen all the night spectacles of parties.
Cafarnaum era uma cidade onde moravam pescadores e homens e mulheres do povo.
Capernaum was a town where the fishermen used to live and all the people, the ordinary people.
Nazaré era quase que desconhecida.
Nazareth was almost unknown,
Mas ali vivia um casal muito nobre.
but there used to live in that town a very noble couple.
O povo de Nazaré era um povo muito místico.
The people from Nazareth used to be very mystic.
Joaquim e Ana já estavam casados desde há muitos anos.
Joachim and Anna used to be married for years.
Eles não tinham filhos,
They didn't have any children,
mas eram tementes a Deus.
but they used to fear and to respect God.
Ana já estava numa idade bem avançada, mas acreditava que um dia poderia receber a bênção de ser mãe.
Anna, at that time, she was already very old, but she believed that she still could be blessed by being a mother.
Aquele casal tinha um hábito interessante.
That couple used to have, some very interesting habits.
Todas as tardes, antes do sol se esconder, eles se assentavam na sala para estudar as profecias hebraicas.
Each afternoon before the sun comes down, they used to get together and to study the Jewish prophecies.
E quando liam as profecias que falavam a respeito da vinda do Messias, se enchiam de alegria.
And when they used to read all the prophecies that was mentioning about the coming from the Messiah, they just became so happy all the time.
Numa dessas tardes, algo extraordinário aconteceu.
In one of those afternoons, something very special happened.
Logo após a oração feita por Joaquim e Ana,
Right after the prayer that was done by Joachim and Anna,
sem que os olhos físicos deles pudessem ver,
without that their physical eyes could see anything,
receberam uma visita espiritual.
they received a spiritual visit.
Era um espírito iluminado que adentrou aquele casebre.
It was a very enlightened spirit that came into that little house.
Era um espírito que se trajava de forma feminina,
It was a spirit that he was showing himself in a female form,
ajoelhou-se aos pés de Joaquim e Ana
and that spirit just kneeled before Joachim and Anna,
e, abrindo a sua boca, disse:
and opening his mouth or her mouth, then the spirit said,
Rogo a Deus, nosso Pai,
I just ask for God, our Father,
que abençoe essa família,
that bless this family,
que abrirá as portas do seu lar para me receber.
that open the doors of their home to host me here.
Era o espírito que assumiria o nome de Maria de Nazaré,
It was the spirit that one day will take the name of Maria from Nazareth.
que veio visitar os seus pais antes de nascer.
She came there to visit their parents even before she was born.
Segundo os benfeitores espirituais, Maria foi um espírito que veio da estrela Sírius para habitar a terra.
According to the highest spirits, Maria used to be a spirit that used to live in the Sirius star before coming to the earth.
Não havia nenhum espírito capaz de desenvolver em seu ventre o maior espírito que esteve aqui na terra, Jesus de Nazaré.
Because there was no such a spirit on the earth that could bring the Messiah from her womb on earth. So that's why she needed to come here.
A partir daquele dia, algo mudou na cidade de Nazaré.
So from that day on, something changed in Nazareth.
Todos que ali viviam sentiam que algo iria acontecer de diferente.
Everybody that was there started to feel that something special was about to happen.
E não passou muito tempo, Ana estava grávida.
And not so much time after that, Anna then just got pregnant.
A gestação se deu de forma muito tranquila.
The pregnancy was very well or fine.
Bem longe dali na cidade de Jerusalém,
A little bit far away from there, in another town, Jerusalem,
havia um sacerdote chamado Azedamoá.
there was a sacerdote that was called
Azedamoá.
Azedamoah.
Este sacerdote realizava um trabalho no templo de Jerusalém.
That priest used to work in the temple of Jerusalem.
Em uma noite ele teve um sonho.
One night, that priest had a dream.
Foi levado à cidade de Nazaré
He was taken to Nazareth,
e à beira da fonte onde Ana e Joaquim buscavam água, ele viu um casal.
and when he saw this source of water where Joachim and Anna used to go there to get water, then he saw a couple there.
A mulher estava grávida
He was a pregnant woman,
e uma voz dizia ao sacerdote: vá até a cidade de Nazaré.
and a voice was telling to the priest to go to Nazareth.
No dia seguinte, ele foi para Nazaré.
On the following day, he went to Nazareth,
E quando lá chegou, viu a fonte do seu sonho.
and when he arrived there, he saw that water source that that he dreamed about.
Bebeu da água cristalina,
He drank from the water that was crystal clear.
fechou os olhos em oração,
He closed his eyes and started to pray.
e quando ele abriu seus olhos,
And when he opened his eyes,
ao lado dele estava o casal do sonho.
just next to him, he could see the couple that he dreamed about.
Eram Joaquim e Ana.
They were Joachim and Anna.
Ana estava grávida.
Anna was pregnant.
Ele aproximou-se do casal,
He just came close to them,
contou-lhes o sonho,
just told them about the dream,
e o casal convidou para ir até o seu casebre.
and the couple just invited him to go to their house.
Joaquim e Ana contaram tudo o que havia acontecido em suas vidas.
Joachim and Anna just told everything that happened in their lives.
E o sacerdote Azedamoá prometeu que quando a criança nascesse, ele daria todo o suporte educacional para ela.
And the priest promised to them that once the child was born, he would just give all the educational support to the child.
E ele voltou para Jerusalém.
And then he came back to Jerusalem.
Os meses transcorreram até o dia do parto.
So the months just passed by until the day of the labor of the child.
Era um dia pela manhã.
It was a morning.
Ana estava no seu quarto acompanhada de duas mulheres.
Anna was in her room, just joined by two other women.
Nas tradições judaicas, sempre uma parteira e uma mulher chamada ledora.
According to the Jewish tradition, those two women were always a midwife and another woman called Ledora.
A parteira seria aquela que faria os trabalhos do parto.
The midwife would be the one that used to help with the labor.
A ledora era aquela que lia as profecias para acalmar a parturiente.
And the Ledora, meaning the reader, was the one that they had to read the prophecies to calm down the patient.
E o pai Joaquim do lado de fora, como todos os pais, andando de um lado para o outro.
And the father was just outside the room, just walking from one side to the other.
Quando o choro da criança se fez.
And then the child started to cry.
As pernas ficaram trêmulas de Joaquim.
Then Joachim started having his shaking legs.
Quando alguém bateu a porta.
And then someone just knocked the door.
E quando ele abriu,
And then when he opened the door,
era justamente o sacerdote Azedamoá que chegava no exato momento em que a filha do casal nascia.
it was the priest, someone that had just arrived at the right moment when the child was born.
Quando Joaquim viu o sacerdote, não podia acreditar no que estava acontecendo.
So when Joachim saw the priest, he could not believe his eyes.
A parteira chamou o pai para entrar no quarto.
The midwife just invited the father to come into the room.
Ele ajoelhou-se ao lado da cama, pegou a filha no colo.
He just kneeled next to the bed and took the baby to his legs.
E ela recebeu o nome de Miriam,
And she was named Miriam,
que quer dizer Maria.
which in other words means Maria.
Eles começaram a orar a Deus por aquela bênção.
And they started to pray to God and praise Him for that blessing.
Enquanto eles oravam sobre o casebre de Maria e daquela família, os anjos cantavam.
And when he was praying, just above that little house, the angels were singing.
Quando uma luz intensa começou a brilhar dentro do quarto.
And then a very strong light started to lighten inside of the room.
Era uma luz mais forte que a luz do sol.
It was a light that was stronger than the sunlight.
E quando naquele instante todos estavam vendo a luz,
And then by the moment when everybody was just watching the light,
eis que Jesus, em espírito, ali se encontrava
then Jesus was there in his spirit,
para visitar aquela que seria a sua futura mãe.
just to visit the one that one day would become his mother.
Foi assim que Maria chegou na terra.
It was by this way that Mary came to the earth.
Os anos se dobraram, Maria cresceu em tamanho e cresceu em virtudes.
The days just passed by and Maria started to growing.
Quando ela completou 7 anos de idade,
When Mary was 7 years old,
o sacerdote Azedamoá
the priest
resolveu buscá-la para estudar no Templo de Jerusalém.
the priest went and just took her to start studying at the Jerusalem temple.
Era algo incomum para aquela época uma criança com essa idade ser levada para o templo.
It was something that was very unusual that a child that day used to go to the temple, so young.
Mas ela foi levada e era a mais jovem de todas.
And she was taken to the temple and she was one of the youngest ones there.
Recebeu orientação judaica
Then she learned about the Jewish traditions
para tornar-se uma boa filha, uma futura boa esposa e quem sabe uma boa mãe.
so she could become one day a good daughter and a good wife and maybe a good mother in the future.
Embora a idade de 7 anos destacou-se entre as outras mulheres que ali viviam.
Although she was only 7 years old, then she was so different than the other ones that were there.
Os biógrafos de Maria querem colocá-la como uma simples camponesa.
It's funny because the biographers and people that talk about Maria just want to treat her as just like a simple woman from the countryside.
Mas era um espírito extraordinário.
But Maria, she was an extraordinary spirit.
Uma mulher consciente dos seus deveres aqui na Terra.
She was very conscious about her task here on the earth.
Quando ela estava por volta dos seus 17 anos de idade,
When she was about 17 years old,
o seu pai Joaquim faleceu.
her dad passed away.
E sua mãe Ana, já muito velha, necessitava da sua presença.
And her mother, which was already old, needed her to be close to her.
Ela saiu do templo e voltou para a cidade de Nazaré.
Then Mary just left the temple and went back to Nazareth.
Por ser uma jovem muito boa e ter um conhecimento muito profundo das tradições das profecias sagradas,
And just because she was a very good young lady and she knew a lot about the Jewish traditions and the prophecies,
uma notícia começou a correr em toda Israel,
there was some news that was just spread around the whole Israel.
de que na cidade de Nazaré havia uma jovem diferente de todas as outras,
That there in Nazareth there was a young lady that was different than the other ones.
e que aquela poderia ser a mãe do Messias.
And that maybe that one could be the mother of the Messiah.
Isso incomodou os sacerdotes do templo.
So those news started to frighten a little bit the priests that were in the temple.
Porque o povo judeu aguardava a chegada do Messias,
Because the Jewish people were just waiting for the Messiah.
mas ele deveria nascer em Jerusalém, a cidade prometida.
But according to the Jewish tradition, he was supposed to be born in Jerusalem, which was the promised land, the promised town.
Jamais poderia vir uma cidade, uma aldeia como Nazaré.
He could never come from such a place like Nazareth.
E eles começaram a projetar planos de como fazer para se apagar essa notícia.
And they started to make plans in a way that they could just disseminate those news and nobody would know about it.
Havia uma tradição que dizia que a mãe do Messias seria uma virgem.
There was a tradition they used to say that the mother of the Messiah should be a virgin.
Maria deveria se casar.
Then Mary should get married.
Jamais poderia ser a mãe do Messias.
So it means that she never could be the mother of the Messiah.
E como ela havia estudado no templo, eles tinham poder sobre a decisão da sua vida.
And just because she was there in the temple before studying the temple, so the priest had the power to decide about her life.
Os sacerdotes decidiram que ela deveria se casar com José ben Jacob.
So the priest decided that she had to marry Joseph,
que fazia parte da linhagem de Davi.
and Joseph used to be from the line of David.
José era um carpinteiro muito conhecido na região.
Joseph was a very known carpenter in that region.
Quando ele recebeu a notícia de que se casaria com uma jovem do Templo de Jerusalém,
So when he just heard about that he would get married to a young lady from Jerusalem,
para ele foi uma grande alegria.
and then he was very happy about it.
E ele foi para Nazaré para conhecer a sua futura esposa.
And then he went to Nazareth just to know his future wife.
Ele era um pouco mais velho que Maria.
He was a little bit older than Maria,
E quando seus olhos se cruzaram, ele percebeu a evolução espiritual daquela mulher.
and when he just laid his eyes on Mary, and then he just could see the spiritual evolution of that woman.
E todos os preparativos foram feitos para o casamento.
Then just arranged everything for the wedding,
E foi justamente neste período
and it was exactly in that period
em que eles se casaram
that they got married.
que acontece o advento da vinda do Messias.
That came, the message talking about the coming of the Messiah.
Porque os sacerdotes não entenderam a profecia.
And the priests, they didn't understand the prophecy.
Assim como muitos de nós ainda não entendemos.
Just like many of us, they still don't understand it.
A virgindade de Maria não estava na sua virgindade sexual.
When you talk that Mary was virgin, it doesn't have to do with his sexual virginity,
Mas era a castidade da alma.
but it was talking about her soul.
Era a pureza interior do seu coração.
It was the purity of her heart.
A doutrina espírita nos explica que Jesus veio de forma natural à Terra.
The Spiritist doctrine tells us that Jesus came in a very natural manner to the earth,
Para nos dar o exemplo do amor.
just to teach us what love is about.
E tudo aconteceu de forma muito tranquila.
And everything just happened in a such natural way.
Eis que Maria, quando estava grávida por volta dos seus 9 meses,
It's when Mary was pregnant, just about her 9 months.
Ana, sua mãe, já havia falecido.
Mary's mother was already dead, she passed away.
Houve o recenseamento, a contagem dos homens de Israel.
So there was a census, which means when they used to count everybody that used to live in Israel.
E os homens deveriam ir à cidade onde haviam nascido.
So the men had to go to the city where they were born,
E eles foram para a cidade de Belém de Judá.
and then they went to Bethlehem from Judah.
Embora Maria estivesse grávida, deveria acompanhar o seu marido.
Although Mary was pregnant, she had to go there with her husband.
E a viagem demorou um pouco mais.
And that travel just took a little bit longer.
Quando eles chegaram em Belém, a cidade já estava superlotada.
When they arrived in Bethlehem, the town was completely crowded.
Todas as hospedarias, todas as casas já haviam recebido os viajantes que chegaram para serem contados.
So all the houses, all the hostels and hotels, they were completely full with the other guests that came there for the census.
E foi um homem bondoso que ofereceu um lugar para eles passarem a noite.
And it was a very good man that just offered a place for them to spend the night.
Era o curral onde se colocavam os animais domésticos.
It was the place in a little farm where they used to host the domestic animals.
E foi justamente nessa noite esplendorosa que chegou o Espírito que nos trouxe a mensagem do amor.
And it was that night, very splendorous night, that came the Spirit that brought us the message about love.
Nasceu Jesus de Nazaré.
And then Jesus was born.
Uma estrela brilhou sobre a estribaria
There was a light that was shining there over the barn,
e os anjos cantavam glória a Deus nas alturas, paz na terra aos homens de boa vontade.
and the angels were singing, praise be the Lord in the highest place, and peace be with the men.
Pastores que estavam ali próximos vieram visitar o menino Jesus.
The shepherds that were just around there in those fields, they also came to visit the child.
E 3 reis magos ali chegaram:
And they also came the three kings,
Baltazar, Melquior e Gaspar, trazendo seus presentes para Jesus.
Baltior, Melchior, and Balthazar also bring gifts to the child.
Eles eram estudantes das estrelas.
They used, those kings, they used to study the stars.
E quando a estrela começou a brilhar, sabiam que havia chegado o Messias.
And when they saw that shining star, they knew that the Messiah came.
Ao saírem dali de Belém, foram chamados ao palácio de Herodes.
So when those kings, they left the Bethlehem, they were called to go to the palace of Herodes.
Ele queria saber o que aqueles homens estavam fazendo em Israel.
Herodes wants to know what those men were doing in Israel.
Quando os reis magos informaram, viemos visitar o rei dos judeus.
So when the king, they just answered that they went there to visit the king of the Jewish.
Herodes, um tanto quanto assustado, quis saber quem era esse menino.
So Herodes was very scared and he just wanted to know who that child was.
Os reis magos perceberam que havia malícia na fala de Herodes.
So the kings just noticed there was something with a bad intention in his voice.
Então disseram os reis magos ao rei Herodes:
So the king, told Herodes,
ainda não achamos, e quando acharmos, viemos te dizer.
no, we haven't found him. Once that we find him, we'll let you know.
E foram embora.
And they left.
Como os 3 reis magos não voltaram,
As those kings never came back,
Herodes, tomado de pavor,
Herodes was completely covered in fear.
mandou matar todas as crianças com menos de 2 anos de idade.
Then he told, he just gave the orders to kill all the children that were younger than 2 years old.
Todos os meninos deveriam ser mortos para que o rei dos judeus morresse.
And all the boys, the young boys, should die, so the king of the Jews should never be born or be alive.
O anjo Gabriel havia aparecido a Maria,
So Gabriel, the angel, came to Mary,
dizendo a José no sonho
telling Joseph in a dream
para que eles pudessem fugir para o Egito,
that they should run away to Egypt,
a fim de que pudesse sobreviver o menino Jesus.
so that Jesus could survive.
E quando eles chegaram no Egito,
Once they arrived in Egypt,
por serem estrangeiros, não foram bem recebidos.
for being foreigners, they were not really welcome there.
Muitas portas haviam se fechado.
So lot of doors were closed.
Quando chegou a primavera
So when the spring came
e Herodes faleceu,
and Herodes passed away,
o anjo Gabriel disse que eles poderiam voltar para Nazaré.
so Gabriel, the angel, just came back to them and told them that they should go back to Israel.
E voltaram para a aldeia onde Maria havia nascido.
And they went back to the village where Mary was born.
Quando voltaram para Nazaré, José começou a trabalhar como carpinteiro.
So when they were back in Nazareth, Joseph started to work again as a carpenter.
E Jesus teve uma infância perfeitamente normal.
And Jesus just had a very normal childhood.
Embora os evangelhos não nos contem como foi a infância de Jesus,
Although the gospel, they don't tell us much about how the childhood of Jesus was.
nós entendemos que ele aprendeu a ler, a escrever, a andar com a ajuda da sua mãe.
We understand that he learned how to write, to read, and to walk and to talk. With the help of his mother.
Mas havia algo que incomodava o coração de Maria.
But there was something that was always threatening her spirit, her heart.
Porque no dia em que eles levaram Jesus para ser apresentado no templo de Jerusalém,
Because by the time that they took Jesus to the temple of Jerusalem,
era um ritual judaico que se fazia com as crianças, os varões, quando estavam no 8º dia de nascimento.
it was a Jewish ritual that they used to do with all the young boys when they were just a couple of days from their birth.
Um ritual judaico que ainda existe nos dias de hoje, a circuncisão.
It was the circumcision, which is a Jewish ritual that still exists nowadays.
O prepúcio do pênis da criança é cortado por um sacerdote.
Just a little part of the skin of the penis of the boy is cut by the priester.
É a entrada daquela criança para o seio judaico.
It means that's the initiation of that child in the Jewish society.
É neste dia que se dá o nome da criança.
It is in that day that the child receives a name.
Quando eles levaram Jesus para o templo, para o ritual,
So when they took Jesus to that ritual,
Maria entregou o menino nas mãos de um sacerdote chamado Simeão.
Mary just delivered the child to a priest which was called Simeon.
Jesus estava com 8 dias de nascido.
This Jesus, he was 8 days old.
Simeão tinha uma ferida nas suas costas que não cicatrizava.
Simeon, he had a wound on his back that didn't heal.
E quando ele pegou esse menino no colo,
So when he just took Jesus to his arms,
a ferida cicatrizou imediatamente.
so the wound immediately just healed.
Ele sentiu que aquela criança era diferente.
So he felt that that child was very special.
Fez o ritual
So he did all the ritual,
e quando entregou a Maria o seu filho,
and when he just gave the child back to Mary,
ele disse para ela:
he told her,
"Este menino vai te trazer grandes alegrias,
"This boy will give you so much happiness,
mas uma espada trespassará o seu coração de mãe."
but a very sharp sword will just go through your heart."
Ela não sabia o que ele queria dizer.
So she didn't understand what he meant by that.
E muitas vezes, quando ela via Jesus correndo para lá e para cá em Nazaré,
Also, so many times when she used to see Jesus running from here and there in Nazareth,
ela se recordava daquela frase,
she remembered those words,
mas não conseguia novamente entender o que dizia.
but still she couldn't understand what those words meant.
Os anos se dobraram.
So the years just passed away.
Quando Jesus completou 12 anos de idade,
So when Jesus was 12 years old,
eles foram a Jerusalém
they went back to Jerusalem.
participar de uma grande festa, a festa da Páscoa.
So they went there to be part of the Pesach, which is a very big party.
A festa da Páscoa é uma festa judaica.
So the Pesach is a Jewish festival.
É a comemoração da libertação do povo hebreu do jugo egípcio.
It's when they celebrate when they were set free from the Egyptians.
Somente mais tarde tornará também uma tradição cristã,
And only years after that, it also became a Christian tradition
com a ressurreição de Jesus.
with the resurrection of Jesus.
E quando chegaram em Jerusalém, participaram da festa.
And when they were there in Jerusalem and they were part of the festival,
Quando retornam para Nazaré,
and then they went back to Nazareth,
na estrada Maria percebe que Jesus não está com os pais.
and then she just realized that Jesus, he was not there with them.
Preocupada, ela volta à cidade.
So she was very worried, and she went back to Jerusalem.
E durante 3 dias consecutivos,
And during 3 days,
ela procura pelo seu filho.
she was looking for him everywhere.
Imaginemos o desespero de uma mãe que perde o seu filho no meio da multidão.
So let's just imagine, how desperate that mother was, when she missed him and her child.
E quando acompanhada de José, eles entram no templo,
And with Joseph, they went together in the temple,
encontram Jesus pregando para os doutores da lei.
and they just find Jesus there preaching to the doctors of the Jewish law.
Meu reino não é deste mundo.
And Jesus was saying, "My kingdom is not from this world."
Maria comoveu as lágrimas.
And Mary starts to cry.
E levaram Jesus de volta para a cidade de Nazaré.
And they took Jesus back to Nazareth.
Dos 12 aos 30 anos de Jesus, a Bíblia também se cala a respeito da sua vida.
So between the 12 years old and the 30 years old of the life of Jesus, the Bible doesn't say much about his life.
Nós vamos entender que é o período que Jesus viveu com a sua família.
So we understand that it was a period that Jesus was living with his family.
Porque José, o seu pai, faleceu.
And then we know that Joseph, his father, passed away.
Maria havia tido outros filhos.
Mary, she had all the children.
E Jesus tornou-se o arrimo de família.
And Jesus was just like the center of the family.
Era natural que com o trabalho na carpintaria ele sustentasse a sua família.
And then we understand that with the work that he was doing as a carpenter, he could just provide the results for his family.
O homem que veio trazer o amor à humanidade tinha que provar o amor primeiramente à sua família.
So the man that came here to bring love to the mankind, first to have to provide that love to his own family.
Com 30 anos de idade, ele inicia seu trabalho de divulgação do Evangelho.
So when he was 30 years old, so he started to promote the gospel.
Era uma manhã de domingo quando ele trabalhava na carpintaria em Nazaré.
It was a Sunday morning when he was working as a carpenter there in Nazareth.
Abraçou a sua mãe Maria e lhe disse: chegou a minha hora.
So he just hugged his mom and told her, okay, now this is my time.
E saindo de Nazaré foi procurar João Batista, o seu primo, para o grande encontro que todos nós conhecemos.
So when he arrived there in Nazareth, he went there to meet his cousin John the Baptist for the encounter that we all know about.
Quando nas águas do Rio Jordão ele é batizado.
So arriving there at the Jordan River, he was baptized.
Maria não pôde acompanhar os seus passos.
Maria, she could not follow his steps.
Mas ela compreendia a missão do seu filho.
But Mary, she understood, his mission.
Quando ocorreu a primeira manifestação pública de Jesus aqui na Terra,
So when the first public manifestation of Jesus here on the earth happened,
nas bodas de Caná, quando ele transforma a água em vinho,
and it was in the wedding there in Cana, and he transformed the water into wine.
Maria, sua mãe, estava presente na festa.
Maria, she was there in that party.
Foi ela que se transformou na primeira intercessora, a mãe pedindo para o filho.
So she was the what we used to say that she was the first one, the intercessor. It was the mom asking to her child.
A festa já estava acontecendo há alguns dias.
So the wedding party was already a couple of days. It was happening.
As festas de casamento judaicas duram de 3 a 5 dias, a depender da condição financeira do noivo.
So just by the way, just let you know that the Jewish weddings, they used to take between 3 to 5 days. It depends on the material results of the family.
Com a perspicácia de mulher, Maria percebeu que o noivo estava preocupado.
Maria, from her woman point of view, she could notice that the bridegroom, he was very worried.
E quando perguntou para ele o que estava acontecendo,
And once that she asked him, what's going on?
E ele disse que o vinho havia acabado.
So he said, well, we don't have wine.
Preocupada, ela procura o seu filho.
So she was worried, and then she was looking for Jesus.
E Jesus então diz a ela:
And then Jesus told her,
ainda não é chegada a minha hora.
My time hasn't arrived yet.
Nem eu e nem a senhora temos nada a ver com isso.
Neither you or myself, and we don't have anything to do with this.
Mas ela insiste um pouco mais.
But she insisted a little bit more.
Jesus silencia.
So Jesus just got quiet for a while.
E olhando para os servos do noivo, ela diz: fazei como meu filho mandar.
And then she just looked around and told the workers of the bridegroom, just do whatever he says.
E acontece o fenômeno da transmutação da matéria.
And then it happened a phenomenon that was called the transmutation of the matter.
Não é um milagre.
It is not a miracle.
Jesus trabalha as moléculas da água para transformá-la em vinho.
Jesus just worked on the molecules of the water to transform it into wine.
O que a química hoje nos explica de forma muito simples.
Which chemists nowadays can teach us in a very simple way.
A notícia correu por toda Israel.
But the news was just spread all over Israel.
E Jesus começa a realizar as suas viagens acompanhado de 12 apóstolos.
And Jesus then starts to travel and always joined by another 12 apostles.
Algumas vezes Maria estava junto de Jesus,
And sometimes Mary, she was there with Jesus.
principalmente na cidade de Cafarnaum ou na cidade de Betânia, onde ela ia visitá-lo.
Most of the times in Capernaum or in Bethany, where she used to go there to visit him.
E 3 anos se passaram de trabalhos.
And just 3 years just passed away and with his work.
Quando Jesus entra em Jerusalém e é aclamado pelo povo como o rei dos judeus.
When Jesus entered Jerusalem and everybody was just welcoming him as the king of the Jews.
Era o chamado Domingo de Ramos.
It was what we call the Sunday of the Easter that we call it nowadays.
O povo sacudia as palmeiras e jogava no chão tapetes para ele passar.
They use to wave with the palm leaves and also to throw on the ground so he could just pass on it.
Todos estavam felizes, menos Jesus.
Everybody was happy except Jesus.
Os olhos baixos, como se soubesse o que iria acontecer.
He was just looking down as if he knew already what was about to happen.
Ao chegar na praça daquela cidade, quando todos esperavam que ele fizesse um sermão,
Once that he arrived there in the square and everybody was expecting him to give a lecture or to preach,
ele silenciou e foi para a casa de amigos em Betânia.
he just became silent and went to his friends in Bethany.
E voltou a aparecer publicamente somente na quinta-feira.
And then he just came back in public only on Thursday.
Quando em Jerusalém fez o encontro que ficou conhecido como a última ceia.
When in Jerusalem, he just performed the meeting that was known as the Last Supper.
Maria estava presente a este encontro.
So Mary was also there in that supper.
Quando terminou a ceia,
Just when they finished with the Last Supper,
Jesus foi para o jardim do Getsemane, acompanhado de João, Tiago Maior e Simão Pedro.
so he went to the Gethsemane garden together with Simon,
Tiago Maior e João.
Tiago, and John.
Quando os outros dispersaram-se,
When the other one just went away,
Maria estava hospedada numa casinha fora dos muros de Jerusalém.
Maria, she was in this little house just outside Jerusalem.
Pela madrugada,
During the night,
quando Jesus orava no Monte das Oliveiras, este jardim,
when Jesus was praying there on the hills,
ele foi preso pelos soldados do Sinédrio,
he was just arrested by the soldiers,
traído por Judas Iscariotes com um beijo.
and he was just betrayed by Judas with a kiss.
Quando ele foi levado para o Sinédrio e julgado por Anás e Caifás.
Then he was took the court and was judged by Annas and Caiaphas.
Sem nada ter feito, foi condenado a ser enviado para o Império Romano.
Without doing anything, he was just condemned by the Roman Empire.
Os judeus não podiam mandar matar a ninguém.
The Jewish, could not tell anybody to be killed.
O dia já estava quase amanhecendo,
The day was about to come.
quando no casebre onde encontrava-se Maria, alguém batia a porta insistentemente.
Then in the house that Maria, she was there, someone came and was knocking the door.
Quando ela abriu a porta, era João,
So when she opened the door, it was John that was there.
o apóstolo amado de Jesus.
So they beloved this apostle of Jesus.
Ele abraçou a Maria chorando.
Then John just hugged Mary and he was crying.
O teu filho está preso, minha mãe.
Your son is in the prison.
Ela levou a mão ao peito e perguntou:
So she just took her hands and put them on her chest and asked,
mas o que fez o meu filho para ser preso?
what did he do to deserve that?
Se não levar a mensagem do amor aos corações?
The only thing that he did was to bring the message of love to their hearts.
Ela, encarquilhada pela dor, foi ao interior da casa.
And she was full of pain and it just entered in the house.
Colocou um manto negro sobre a cabeça.
And she just covered herself with some black clothes.
Me leve até o meu filho.
And then she said, okay, just take me to where my son is.
Mas é tarde, minha mãe, e as estradas estão perigosas.
He said, well, it's too late now, Mom, and the roads are a little bit dangerous.
Eu preciso estar com ele.
I need to be with him.
E amparada por João, Maria vai ao encontro do filho na prisão.
And together with John, she went there to the jail to visit him.
As montanhas daquela época, as prisões daquela época eram feitas em montanhas.
So the prisons those days, they used to be found on the hills, on the mountains.
Ela ficou do lado de fora aguardando o dia amanhecer.
So she was just outside waiting for the morning to come.
Logo que amanheceu o dia,
Once the sun was up again,
no alto das escadarias,
there on the top of the stairs,
estava o seu filho amarrado como um condenado, um ladrão.
she could see her son, and he was there just like a criminal.
Os soldados em volta como se ele fosse um criminoso,
All the soldiers just around him as if he was a criminal.
e ele foi levado para o sinédrio, para o pretório, onde seria julgado por Pôncio Pilatos.
And he was then took to the court where he used to be when he was supposed to be judged by Pilatus.
A multidão já estava aguardando.
So the crowd was there already waiting for that.
A mãe de Jesus tudo assistiu.
So the mother of Jesus, she watched everything.
O povo a gritar, soltem Barrabás.
So everybody, all the crowd was just shouting, that Barabbas should be set free.
Pilatos ficou muito assustado,
Pilatus was very frightened
porque Barrabás era um criminoso,
because Barabbas, he was the criminal.
mas o povo prefere Barrabás do que Jesus.
But all the crowd that they preferred Barabbas to Jesus.
Parece que estamos vivendo os dias de hoje,
It is just like nowadays,
quando muitos preferem Barrabás do que Jesus.
that so many people nowadays prefer Barabbas to Jesus.
Quando Pilatos lavou as suas mãos,
So when Pilatus, he washed his hands,
eu não tenho parte com o sangue deste homem inocente.
just by,
E tal não foi maior a sua surpresa,
but he was very flabbergasted
quando ele perguntou para o povo: o que faço com esse homem?
when he asked the people, what do I do with this man?
E o povo grita: crucifiquem-no, crucifiquem-no.
And the crowd just replied back saying, crucify him, crucify him.
Jesus foi submetido ao flagício romano.
So Jesus, he had to go through all this the suffering provided by the Roman Empire.
E nós não podemos imaginar o que o império era capaz de fazer.
We cannot even imagine of the Roman Empire they were able to do.
Chicotes de couro velho com pedaços de ossos amarrados na ponta.
So they had this old leather strips with leather just on the top of it.
Que batiam na carne e rasgavam.
That once that they touched the human flesh, it just torn completely.
Outras vezes o chicote na ponta tinha bolas de ferro que também cravavam na carne.
Sometimes those strips they used to have a little metal balls that used to get really deep into the flesh.
70 chibatadas.
This was something like 70 strips that they used to do. With
35 nas pernas, 35 no dorso.
35 on the legs and 35 just in the dorsal.
Na cabeça uma coroa de espinhos, a zombar este é o rei dos judeus.
And they also put on his head, this crown made of spines.
E nos ombros a cruz em torno de 70 quilos.
And then on his shoulder there was this cross, wooden cross, that was about 70 kilos.
E começa a via dolorosa.
And then they started, all what's called the painful journey.
Pelas suas estreitas de pedras largas de Jerusalém,
And through those narrow streets in Jerusalem,
Jesus carregava sua cruz em direção ao Monte Gólgota.
Jesus was carrying his cross in the direction of the Golgotha hill.
O povo zombava e ria.
So the people just watching that and laughing.
És o rei dos judeus, salva-te a ti mesmo.
Oh, you said that you're the king of the Jewish, just try to save yourself.
E ele em silêncio.
And he was always inside.
Maria acompanhava tudo.
Maria, she was just watching everything.
Junto de outras mulheres do Evangelho.
Together with other women that we can find them in the Gospels.
Onde estavam os homens?
Where were the men?
Simão Pedro, Judas Tadeu e tantos outros.
Simon, Peter, Judas, and Judas Thaddeus, and other ones.
Todos eles escondidos com medo.
So all of them, they're just hiding away. They were covered in fear.
E somente as mulheres corajosas ao lado de Jesus.
Only the women, the brave ones, they were next to Jesus.
O único apóstolo que esteve foi João ao lado de Maria.
The only apostle that was there was John, and he was there together with Mary.
Na estrada dolorosa, Jesus caiu pela primeira vez.
So there on the road, the painful road, Jesus, he fell.
E na hora que ele cai ao chão,
And once he fell,
Maria, a mãe, quis ajudá-lo.
that's Maria, the mother, he tried to help him.
Ela se relembrou dos momentos de criança quando ele andava e caía e ela o soerguia do chão.
So that moment, I mean, she used to remember when he was a child and used to run and fell. And
Mas
fall.
os soldados não deixaram ela chegar perto.
But the soldiers didn't let her to come close to him.
Ela chorava lágrimas de dor.
She was crying and just shedding tears of pain.
E Jesus, levantando-se do chão com dificuldade,
And once that Jesus just stood up and with so much difficulty, but he did.
olha para ela e para as outras mulheres
He just looked at her and all the women that were there,
e apenas diz:
and he just said,
Mulheres, não chorais por mim.
"Women, don't cry for me.
Chorais antes por vós.
Cry for yourself.
Porque se fazem isso ao ramo verde, o que não farão ao ramo seco?
Because they only do to the green grass what they not do to the dry one."
Em outras palavras, ele queria dizer:
In other words, he was trying to say,
se fazem isso a mim, que não tenho nenhum erro,
if they do this to me, that I don't have any mistake,
que não farão a vocês, cheios de imperfeições.
imagine what they can do to you all. They've got imperfections.
Ele segue o caminho,
Then he just goes on.
cai por mais uma vez na estrada.
He fell another time.
Simão Cirineu é pedido para ajudar Jesus a carregar a sua cruz.
So Simon was asked to help Jesus to carry the cross.
E com coragem ele ajuda o mestre.
And with a lot of courage, he helped his master.
Mesmo com a ajuda de Simão, ele cai pela terceira vez.
Even with Simon's help, he fell another time.
E uma outra mulher sai do meio da multidão.
And another woman just come from the crowd.
Essa consegue furar a guarda romana.
This one could just break through the Roman soldiers.
Ela trazia nas suas mãos um linho branco.
She had in her hand a white cloth,
Seca o sangue que escorre da face de Jesus.
and she just dried all the blood that was running down his face.
E quando ela olha o pano,
And when she looked at that cloth,
ali está a imagem de Jesus gravada nele.
there was the image of Jesus. On there.
Era Verônica que se levanta para cantar.
Her name was Veronica, and then she started to sing.
Ó vós homens que transitam pelo caminho,
Oh men that just pass away on this way.
atende, atende a nossa dor.
Just watch and see our pain.
Que a dor do nosso mestre também seja a nossa dor.
That his pain may also be our pain.
E com dificuldades, Jesus chega no Monte Gólgota.
And with a lot of difficulty, he managed to arrive there at the Golgotha hill.
Ele é despido no meio da multidão.
They took out his clothes.
Somente as partes pudentes ficam tapadas.
Only his intimate parts were just covered.
Maria teve o privilégio de ficar perto do seu filho.
So Maria, she had the privilege to be next to him.
Quando ela viu os soldados esticarem braços e pernas do seu filho na cruz.
When he saw when she saw the soldiers just stretching his arm and legs on that cross.
Pregos de 28 centímetros rasgaram as carnes e os ossos de Jesus.
So nails of 28 centimeters just torn his flesh.
E cada martelada que se dava no corpo do seu filho
And every time that they hammered those nails on him,
é como se espadas cravavam no seu coração.
it was just like swords that was going through her heart.
E Maria se recordou da profecia de Simeão.
And then Mary, she remembered the prophecy that Simeon once told her.
Aquele sacerdote que falara ao seu coração quando Jesus estava com 8 dias de nascido.
And that priest that used to talk to her heart when Jesus was only 8 days old.
Este menino te trará grandes felicidades.
And then back then he told her, that child would give us so much happiness,
Mas uma espada trespassará o seu coração de mãe.
but a sword will go through your mother's heart.
E quando as forquilhas ergueram a cruz que derreou no chão,
And once that it just brought the cross up,
ela ficou aos pés da cruz acompanhando o martírio do seu filho.
he was just there, down the cross, just watching that.
Ele teve sede e os soldados deram aloés e fel.
He was thirsty, but the soldiers gave him vinegar.
Até que não suportando mais,
Once that he could not stand anymore,
Maria lhe disse:
Maria told him,
Coração do meu coração, carne da minha carne.
heart of my heart and flesh of my flesh,
Até quando durará o seu sofrimento?
for how long will be your suffering?
Ele olhou para ela com carinho.
Then he looked at her with so much tender.
João estava ao lado dela.
John was just next to her.
E então ele disse:
Then he said,
Mulher, eis aí o teu filho.
woman, just look here, your son.
Filho, eis aí a tua mãe.
And son, look at there, here's your mother.
E ele transforma Maria em nossa mãe.
And by doing this, he just transformed Mary as our mother.
Ele mostra que os laços materiais de nada valem.
He just showed it by saying that the material binds, they don't mean anything.
Senão para criar os laços espirituais.
Just for building the spiritual binds.
E no último suspiro da cruz,
And by his last breath there on the cross,
a mensagem do perdão.
then we just receive the message of forgiveness.
Pai, perdoa-lhes porque eles não sabem o que fazem.
Was when he said, God, forgive them because they don't know what they're doing.
E quando morre na cruz,
And when he died on the cross,
os soldados, para fazerem com que aquele momento fosse mais doloroso,
the soldiers, trying to make that moment even more painful,
colocavam o filho morto nos braços da mãe.
he just gave them the dead child to the arms of that mother.
Ele foi descendido da cruz
Removed him from the cross,
e colocado nos braços de Maria.
and he was put into Maria's arms.
Essa imagem ficou tão marcada na história da humanidade
That image was such something in the mankind history
que Michelangelo, o escultor,
that Michelangelo, the sculptor,
ele pôde fazer a Pietà,
he just sculptured the Pietà,
que é este momento doloroso de Maria com seu filho.
which represents this very painful moment of Mary with her son.
Chorando com o filho no colo,
Just crying with the son on her arms.
Maria pensava:
Maria used to think,
a serpente sem os seus covis.
that's the
Covis. Tocas.
okay, that's the this serpent, the snake without this the holes.
Os pássaros têm os seus ninhos.
The birds, they have the nests,
Mas o filho do homem, mesmo depois de morto, não tem onde pôr a sua cabeça.
but the son of the son of that man, even when he's dead, he doesn't have a place to lay his head.
Jesus foi sepultado,
So Jesus was just buried. Not buried. He just was buried.
Mas no terceiro dia ele voltou,
But on the third day he came back,
mostrando que a vida continua depois da morte.
just showing that life goes on after death.
Porque ele não volta em corpo físico,
Because he doesn't come back in a material body.
ele volta em espírito para mostrar que nós continuamos a viver.
He came back in his spirit to show that the life just goes on.
E quando Maria recebe a notícia,
And when Mary, she knows about that,
ela se alegra com a informação.
she became so happy with those news.
Mais tarde, Maria vai morar em Éfeso com João.
And later on, she went to Ephesus to live there with John.
O apóstolo vai cuidar da mãe de Jesus conforme o mestre havia pedido.
So John the Apostle went there to take care of Mary as Jesus asked him.
Na cidade de Éfeso, Maria era chamada de a Mãe Santíssima.
In Ephesus, she was used to be called the Holy Mother.
Atendia a todas as pessoas.
Then she used to receive so many people, so other people.
Segundo as tradições, ainda hoje a casa de Maria está para visitação.
And according to the tradition, even nowadays, the house of Mary is still open for visitors.
A cidade de Éfeso hoje é chamada cidade de Esmirna, na Turquia.
And nowadays, Ephesus is called Smyrna in Turkey.
Em cima de um monte onde se dá para ver o mar Egeu.
It is located on a hill where you can see the Aegean Sea.
João levava a mensagem do Evangelho a todas as pessoas.
So John, then he was sharing the message of the gospel with other people.
Saía de manhã para pregar e voltava à hora do almoço para almoçar com Maria.
So he used to go in the morning to preach and come back to have lunch with Mary.
Mas foi num desses dias, quando ele saiu pela manhã,
One of those days when he left home in the morning,
Maria já estava com 70 anos de idade.
Maria, she was 70 years old.
Ela estava sentada do lado de fora no banco de madeira,
She was just sitting outside on this wooden bench.
quando pela estrada ela vê um homem se aproximando.
When then she saw this man coming down the road.
Era um leproso mendigo.
He was a very sick man, a beggar with leper.
Ele esticou a mão, que estava marcada pelas feridas vivas,
He just showed his hands that was completely covered with wounds.
e disse para ela: "Tenho fome."
And he told her, I'm hungry.
Ela se levantou, foi ao interior da casa.
She stood up and she went inside of the house.
Não havia nada para oferecer àquele homem.
And there is nothing there to offer that man.
Ela volta de cabeça baixa
Then she came back, just looking down.
e diz a ele: "Eu não tenho nada para te dar,
And she told him, I don't have anything to give you.
a não ser o meu amor."
The only thing I have is my love.
Assentou-se no banco,
Then she just sat there.
chamou o homem que assentou aos seus pés,
She just called him, which came pretty close to her.
colocou a cabeça dele sobre o seu colo,
Just put his head on her laps.
tirou os panos que envolviam a sua cabeça,
And took out the cloth that was covering his head.
os cabelos emplastados de pus.
His hair was covered in pus.
Odores pútridos exalavam daquele homem.
And he was stinking.
E ela, fechando os olhos, falava de Jesus.
And she just closed her eyes and started talking about Jesus.
Um estranho perfume deu lugar àquele àquele local.
Then a very strange, nice perfume started taking control of that place.
E quando ela abriu os olhos,
And when she opened her eyes,
os pés daquele homem estavam marcados pelos pregos da cruz.
that man's feet were covered with we can see the ones of the nails from the cross.
Também os seus pulsos estavam marcados.
And also the wrists, they were also marked with the nails from the cross.
E ela perguntou: "És tu, meu filho?"
Then she asked him, are you my son?
E o mendigo desconhecido se levantou
And then that unknown beggar,
e diante dela se transfigurou.
and that unknown beggar just transformed himself in front of her.
Era Jesus de Nazaré.
It was Jesus of Nazareth.
E esticando as mãos em direção à sua mãe,
and just showed his hands. Just stretching his hand toward his mom.
Vem minha mãe tornar a rainha dos céus.
Then he told her, just come, my mom, to become the queen of the heaven.
Cumpriste a sua missão aqui na terra.
You've just accomplished your mission here on earth.
Ela estremeceu no banco.
Then she just shaked there on the bench.
E o Espírito foi recebido por Jesus no mundo espiritual.
And then her spirit was then welcomed and received by Jesus in the spiritual world.
Anjos cantavam
The angels were singing,
em louvor a Maria.
praising Mary.
E quando eles ascendiam aos céus,
And by the time just raising to the heaven,
ela parou a marcha
then she just stopped.
e disse a Jesus: posso te fazer um pedido?
And she asked Jesus, can I ask you something?
Peça o que quiser, minha mãe.
He told her, yeah, just ask anything you want, Mama.
Eu não pude acompanhar os seus passos aqui na terra.
I could not follow your steps here on earth.
Antes de ascender aos céus, quero visitar todas as cidades pelas quais você passou.
Before going up there in heaven, I just want to visit all the cities that you passed by.
Mas quero ir sozinha.
But I want to do this alone.
E sozinha Maria começa a viajar.
And just by herself, Mary used to travel.
Desde a cidade de Belém, onde ele nasceu.
Even from Belém, where he was born.
Passou por Nazaré, Cafarnaum e Betânia.
So he passed by Nazareth, Capernaum, and Bethany.
Foi a Magdala, Jericó e Jerusalém.
Magdala, Jericho, and Jerusalem.
E tantas outras
And
cidades.
so many other towns.
Quando ela se lembrou que em Roma,
Then once she remembered that in Rome,
onde o seu filho não havia estado,
that place that Jesus, he never was there.
mas onde muitos estavam morrendo em nome de Jesus,
But there's so many people, they were dying in Jesus' names.
ela decide ir até o circo romano.
So she decided to go there until the Roman
A
circle.
multidão está reunida para ver o espetáculo.
So there, there was a crowd there just waiting to watch this spectacle.
Homens e mulheres que seriam devorados pelas feras.
It's like there you could find men and women, they were about to be eaten by the beasts.
Outros seriam queimados vivos.
Other one would be just put on fire.
E o Espírito de Maria adentra, então, o subterrâneo da prisão.
And then her spirit then just reached there in the interior of those jails.
Ali estão os cristãos em silêncio.
And there she could find so many Christians that were there in silence.
Alguns choravam baixinho.
Some of them were crying.
Quando ela viu uma jovem assentada no chão
When she saw a young lady sitting there on the floor.
e aproximando-se dela, lhe disse:
And then she just approached her and said,
canta, minha filha, canta.
sing, my daughter, sing.
E a voz de um rouxinol começou a ecoar dentro daquela prisão.
And then a very nice voice could be heard in that prison.
E pela primeira vez na arena da morte entraram os cristãos cantando.
And then first time in that death arena, the Christians entered singing.
A multidão ficou em silêncio,
The whole crowd was in silence.
e enquanto os leões devoravam homens e mulheres,
And but just while the lions were eating and devorating men and women,
nos céus de Roma, em letras de luz,
in this up above there in the skies of Rome, with light letters,
Maria escreveu:
Maria, she wrote,
Ave Cristo,
Ave Christus.
bem-aventurados aqueles que te saúdam e te glorificam.
Blessed be the ones that welcome and glorify you.
Maria é um exemplo de mulher, mãe, filha e servidora.
Maria is an example of mother, wife, daughter, and follower.
Hoje, na Igreja Católica Apostólica Romana, recebeu vários nomes.
And according to the Roman Catholic Church, she received so many names.
Nossa Senhora do Perpétuo Socorro, Nossa Senhora de Lourdes, Nossa Senhora de Fátima.
Our Lady of the Help, Our Lady of Lourdes, Our Lady of Fatima.
Todas a mesma mulher.
But always referring to the same woman.
Cada nome por causa das suas aparições.
And each name, it has to do with when she used to show herself.
Quando apareceu em Lourdes, na França, a Santa Bernadette de Claraval recebeu o nome de Nossa Senhora de Lourdes.
When she appeared in Lourdes, in France, so okay.
Santa Bernadette de Claraval.
Okay, a saint called Bernadette. She just when she saw her there, then that's because she was called Our Lady of Lourdes.
Quando apareceu na cidade de Fátima, em Portugal, aos 3 meninos pastoreiros, Nossa Senhora de Fátima.
And also when she appeared in Portugal to the 3 young shepherds there, so that's when she was named Our Lady of Fatima.
No movimento protestante, ainda não é bem compreendida.
According to the Protestants or the Protestant environment, she was not really well understood.
No nosso movimento espírita, é a mãe de Jesus e mãe nossa.
And according to us, the Spiritists, we consider her as being the mother of Jesus and our mom.
Que no mundo espiritual continua trabalhando em favor de todos nós.
And we know that in the spirit world, she's still working in our favor.
E se me permitem, para finalizarmos o nosso encontro dessa manhã,
If you allow myself, just to finish our meeting this morning,
gostaria de fazer uma pequena homenagem a ela.
I'd like to just do this small ode to Mary,
Dizendo o seguinte:
just by saying,
Ave Maria, Senhora do amor que ampara e redime.
Ave Mary, the Lady of the Love that embraces and redeems us.
Ai do mundo se não for a vossa missão sublime.
What would be of the world if it would be your mission here?
Cheia de graça e bondade,
Full of grace and generosity and
Yep.
goodness.
é por vós que reconhecemos os seus dons supremos.
And that's because of and through you that you understand your supreme gifts.
Mensageira da ternura,
Messenger of the kindness
providência dos que choram,
and the results for the ones that are crying.
és tu a mensageira divina,
You are the divine messenger.
desde os martírios à cruz,
Since all those pains in the cross
a paz à manjedoura.
to the peace of the Jesus cradle.
Bendito o fruto imortal da vossa missão de luz.
Blessed be the immortal fruit of your light mission.
Que o teu manto sagrado nos envolva nessa manhã.
That your holy mantle involves us this morning.
E nos fortaleça na nossa caminhada rumo à luz.
And then strengthen ourselves in our journey to the light.
Muito obrigado pela oportunidade.
Thank you for this opportunity.
Esperamos que nessa viagem possamos ter aprendido algo sobre Maria.
And hope that in this travel, we have learned something about Mary.
E antes de voltarmos à palavra Neia que nos dirige nessa manhã,
And just before just passing the word back to Mayor, this morning,
nós gostaríamos de fazer uma pequena divulgação.
we'd like just to promote something.
Temos ajudado uma instituição de caridade na África,
We have been helping a charity organization in Africa,
chamada Fraternidade Sem Fronteiras.
which is called Fraternidade Sem Fronteiras, which means fraternity without borders.
Essa instituição atende a 1.365 crianças em Moçambique.
They work with 1,365 children in Mozambique.
No mês de abril estivemos visitando o continente africano
We were there in Abril, in Africa,
e realizamos um trabalho com as crianças.
and we had a work that we did there with the children.
Trouxemos as fotos para aqueles que quiserem conhecer.
We have some pictures here that we brought for the ones that are interested to know a little bit more about it.
E alguns dos nossos livros e pendrives com palestras.
And also some of our books and the pen drives with lectures.
Tem os seus direitos autorais para essa instituição.
So we got the rights for that institution.
Gostaríamos de passar um pequeno vídeo
Well, I would just like to show a very short movie
mostrando este trabalho na África.
just to show a little bit of this work there in Africa.
A música está em português,
The music is in Portuguese,
mas aqueles que não sabem falar o idioma,
but for those that don't speak Portuguese,
escutem com o coração.
yeah, just listen with your heart.
Muito obrigado
Thank
e
you.
bom dia a todos nós.
And have a nice day, everyone.
É preciso pensar um pouco nas pessoas que ainda vêm, nas crianças. A gente tem que arrumar um jeito de deixar para eles um lugar melhor, para os nossos filhos e para os filhos de nossos filhos. Pense bem.
Deve haver um lugar dentro do seu coração, onde a paz brilhe mais que uma lembrança. Sem a luz que ela traz, já nem se consegue mais encontrar o caminho da esperança. Sinta, chega o tempo de enxugar o pranto dos homens, se fazendo irmão, estendendo a mão. Só o amor, tudo que já se fez, e a força da paz junta todos outra vez. Venha, já é hora de acender a chama da vida e fazer a terra inteira feliz. Se você for capaz de soltar a sua voz pelo ar como prece de criança, deve então começar. Outros vão te acompanhar e cantar com harmonia e esperança. Deixe que esse canto lave o pranto do mundo pra trazer perdão.